Migrating to WorldPay from another gateway can be a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the necessary information to ensure a smooth transition. First, you need to set up a WorldPay account, which can be done by visiting their website and filling out the online application form. Once your account is approved, you will receive a merchant identifier and a set of API credentials, which you will use to integrate WorldPay with your website or application. Next, you need to configure your WorldPay account settings, including setting up your payment methods, currency, and settlement options. This can be done through the WorldPay merchant interface, where you can also manage your transactions, view reports, and configure security settings. To integrate WorldPay with your website or application, you will need to use their API. The WorldPay API provides a range of features, including payment processing, tokenization, and recurring payments. You can use the API to create a seamless payment experience for your customers, allowing them to pay using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. When migrating from another gateway, you will need to update your payment processing code to use the WorldPay API. This may involve updating your payment forms, modifying your payment processing scripts, and configuring your webhooks to receive payment notifications from WorldPay. To ensure a smooth transition, it is recommended that you test your payment processing code thoroughly before going live with WorldPay. This includes testing different payment scenarios, such as successful payments, declined payments, and refunds. You should also test your webhooks to ensure that you are receiving payment notifications correctly. Best practices for migrating to WorldPay include ensuring that you have a clear understanding of the WorldPay API and its features, testing your payment processing code thoroughly, and configuring your security settings to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, migrating to WorldPay from another gateway requires careful planning and execution. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth transition and start processing payments with WorldPay quickly and easily. Remember to test your payment processing code thoroughly and configure your security settings to prevent fraud and unauthorized transactions. With WorldPay, you can provide your customers with a seamless payment experience and grow your business with confidence.